Hello everyone, this is Aman, your full stack instructor. Welcome to Perfect eLearning family. In today's class, we will start doing some practical now. Basically, we would be developing our first HTML web page. So, are you excited? Yes, me too. So, let's start. So, students, as you can see on my screen, I have opened Visual Studio Code in my system. And I am assuming you have also installed VS Code in your system. If not, then you can refer to setting up the environment course section where you can find the tutorial on how to install VS Code in your system. So let's start. Here I would create one folder where I would basically keeping all the projects in this course section. So I am naming it Introduction to HTML. I have created one folder. Now open this folder in VS Code. Let me locate this folder. Now, okay, yeah, projects. So this is the folder which I have created. I have opened this folder in VS Code. Now let's create our first HTML file. So I would name it first HTML page.html. Now, as you can notice that the file ends with extension .html. So every HTML file ends with this extension .html. Okay. So let's start writing our code. The first line doc type HTML. This line tells the browser that this is a HTML5 document. Then comes the HTML tag, which tells that this is the starting of our HTML, and the ending HTML tag tells that here our HTML document ends. And all other tags are written between them. So then comes the head tag. Head tag, we write the information about our website. For now, we would be writing title of our website. So in the title, I would write my first web page. So this text would be shown as the title of the website. Then comes the body tag. In the body tag, we write the complete content of our website. For now, we would be adding one heading to our web page, which says welcome to our first HTML web page. Okay, done. So these are the basic first HTML web page. Now to run it, right click here and you can see one option open with live server. Now you will see this option only when you have installed live server extension in your VS Code. Again, if you haven't watched the tutorial on how to install VS Code, I will explain how to install this extension so you can watch. Okay, I click here and as you can see, our first web page has launched. The first thing you can see is the title here, my first web page. The text which we have mentioned here in the title, my first web page, is shown as the title here. Then on the web page content, you can see one heading, welcome to our first HTML web page, which we have mentioned here. So we have developed our first HTML web page. Cool, isn't it? Okay, so I hope you have learned this topic very well. So now practice or learn by yourself. I'll see you in the next class. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.